Hi, I'm Aditi, network expert. Welcome to this video where we will demystify the difference between network hubs and switches. In the world of computer networking, these two devices play crucial roles, but they are not created equal. Imagine them as the traffic controllers of your network, but with varying levels of intelligence. Today, we will break down the key distinctions between a hub and a switch so you can better understand their functions and why one is often favored over the other. First, let's talk about the hub. Think of it as a basic traffic cop. When data arrives at the hub, it's like the traffic cop shouting, "Hey, everyone, here is some data." The hub then broadcasts that data to all devices in the network, regardless of whether it's intended for a specific device or not. This can create a lot of unnecessary traffic, slowing down the network and potentially causing collisions. Now, let's contrast that with the switch. The switch is like a smart traffic cop. When data arrives at the switch, it's as if the cop checks the address on the data and says, "This data is for device A." The switch then sends the data only to the device that should receive it, like a postal service delivering a letter to the right house. This makes the network faster and more efficient, reducing unnecessary traffic and the chances of collisions. So, in simple terms, a hub broadcasts data to everyone, while a switch sends data only to the right place. That's why switches are more commonly used in modern networks for better performance. I hope this visual explanation helps you grasp the differences between hubs and switches. Thanks for watching.